Humvee Sabre. The Ripsaw EV3 F4 is a high-performance dual-tracked vehicle designed for extreme off-road capability. It is powered by a 6.6L Duramax turbo diesel engine that delivers up to 1,500 horsepower and 1,000 lb-ft of torque, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. Built on a steel chassis, the vehicle features a high-performance proprietary suspension system combined with custom dual-rate shocks, ensuring outstanding durability and handling. Its heavy-duty rubber tracks are engineered to conquer steep inclines and loose terrain with ease. With a ground clearance of 20 inches and a tight 8-foot turning radius, the Ripsaw EV3 F4 offers remarkable maneuverability across diverse environments. A 40-gallon fuel tank provides an extended range. Ripsaw EV3 F4. The Sakani Racing 6142 is a high-performance off-road vehicle built specifically for endurance racing. It is powered by a 6.2L V8 engine that produces around 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque, enabling rapid acceleration and exceptional high-speed stability. Featuring a rugged four-wheel drive system paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the 6142 ensures optimal power distribution across varying terrains. Its suspension system is equipped with long travel shocks, delivering outstanding wheel travel and durability to withstand the harsh demands of off-road racing. Rolling on 37-inch tires, the vehicle provides superior traction and ground clearance. In terms of dimensions, it has a wheelbase of 2,946 millimeters, a length of 4,622 millimeters, and a width of 2,133 millimeters, contributing to its overall stability and maneuverability. With a weight of approximately 2,494 kilograms, the 6142 is designed to excel in both performance and durability in competitive off-road conditions. Its design incorporates a reinforced chassis and a high-strength roll cage, ensuring driver safety during high-speed off-road maneuvers. Additionally, the vehicle features a large fuel tank, allowing for an extended range suited for endurance racing events. The Sakani Racing 6142 has proven its capabilities in multiple off-road competitions, including the NORA Mexican 1000, solidifying its reputation for reliability and top-tier performance in demanding race environments. Sakani Racing 6142. The Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato is an impressive blend of supercar performance and off-road capability. It is powered by a 5.2L V10 engine that generates 610 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, with a top speed of 162 miles per hour. Equipped with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and an all-wheel drive system, the Huracan Sterrato ensures maximum traction across various terrains. Its suspension system is specially tuned for off-road conditions, providing increased ground clearance and enhanced durability. Riding on 19-inch wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Dueler tires, size 235/40 at the front and 285/40 at the rear, the vehicle is designed to strike a balance between on-road performance and off-road capability. With a dry weight of approximately 1,470 kilograms, it maintains both agility and responsiveness. Additionally, the Huracan Sterrato features an aluminum front skid plate, lower side sills, and a rear diffuser, offering added protection to the undercarriage during rugged off-road adventure. Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. The Light Horse is an innovative all-electric stand-up ATV engineered for both performance and versatility across various terrains. It features a robust drivetrain with both two-wheel and four-wheel drive options, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. With a maximum range of 80 miles on a single charge, it is well suited for extended journeys. Capable of towing up to 1,000 pounds and supporting a 200 pounds rider, the Light Horse is built to handle substantial loads. Its front and rear suspension systems ensure a smooth ride over rough terrain, while its low center of gravity enhances stability. Additionally, it can traverse water up to 2 feet deep without issue. Measuring approximately 6 feet in length and 45 inches in width, The vehicle weighs around 600 pounds, contributing to its agility and ease of maneuverability. Its design incorporates a high vantage point for the rider, enhancing light horse. The Glickenhaus SCG boot is a modern tribute to the legendary Baja boot, combining exceptional off-road performance with street legality. Featuring a mid-engine, four-wheel drive setup, it is powered by a 6.2 LLT4 supercharged V8 engine that produces 650 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. This power is delivered through a 4-speed automatic transmission, ensuring outstanding off-road capability. In terms of dimensions, the SCG boot has a wheelbase of 2,946 millimeters, a length of 4,622 millimeters, and a width of 2,133 millimeters, with a total weight of around 2,494 kilograms. Built for both durability and high performance, it boasts a suspension system that provides 22 inches of travel, allowing it to handle extreme off-road conditions with ease. A 30-gallon fuel tank ensures a sufficient range for extended adventures. The SCG boot is offered in both 2-door and 4-door configurations, catering to different driver preferences. Its bold design includes wide-tread off-road tires and 4-round headlamp setback in line with the windshield. Further, Glickenhaus SCG boot, a conceptual 2-wheel drive pre-runner vehicle. The design of the Glickenhaus SCG boot is inspired by the DEA Duster SUV and crafted by automotive artist Piston Zero. This concept includes extensive off-road upgrades, such as a significant lift kit, wide-body modifications, and a side exhaust system. Its rugged aesthetic is further enhanced by a green camouflage-style paint job. While the Velociduster exists solely as a digital creation and isn't available for purchase, it demonstrates the possibilities of Supervillain SX20 Hybrid. The Segway Supervillain SX20 Hybrid is a high-performance off-road machine that seamlessly combines a 2.0L turbocharged gasoline direct injection engine with a 70 kilowatts electric motor, producing a total output of 330 horsepower. This hybrid setup allows the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, highlighting its remarkable power and responsiveness. Fitted with a 7.9 kilowatts lithium-ion battery, the Supervillain SX20 Hybrid offers multiple selectable driving modes, normal, racing, and climbing, allowing drivers to adapt their experience to different terrains and conditions. A 6-speed automatic transmission with self-learning and adaptive intelligent control ensures smooth and efficient power delivery, engineered for off-road superiority. The Supervillain SX20 Hybrid features a dual AR front suspension with a stabilizer bar, providing 20 inches of wheel travel, while its multi-link trailing arm rear suspension with a stabilizer bar delivers 21 inches of wheel travel. The vehicle is equipped with 15-inch aluminum beadlock wheels wrapped in 32x10 or 15 tires, ensuring outstanding grip and durability. With a ground clearance of 14.6 inches, it is more than capable of handling rough terrains. Additionally, the Supervillain SX Morgan Plus 4 CXD. The Plus 4 CXD is a unique off-road version of the classic Morgan Roadster, seamlessly combining timeless design with rugged capability. Under the hood, it houses a 2.0L BMW twin-power, turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 258 horsepower and 350 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, this powertrain allows the CXD to sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in roughly 5.2 seconds, reaching a top speed of 149 miles per hour. Built for overland adventures, the CXD features an upgraded suspension system with XCDC coilover units and extended wheel travel, ensuring outstanding off-road capability. Its tough exterior showcases wider fenders, a raised hood for improved cooling, and a detachable composite hardtop. The vehicle rides on Italian-made Evio course wheels wrapped in 215/70 R16 Maxxis Worm Drive all-terrain tires, offering exceptional traction across various surfaces. With production limited to only 7 units, the Plus 4 CXD perfectly embodies Morgan's philosophy of merging traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge performance.